Hey guys, welcome back. And today this will be a very short video for all the guys who are struggling with SQL Developer. See, there will be two scenarios which I'll be covering, and the first will be the first scenario will be basically what if you are setting up the new Oracle or any SQL Developer connections, then you can import and export connections, but you cannot import and export SSH hosts. Am I correct? And you have been searching for all the possible ways to do it. Either you have to copy and paste, you have to do all those things by your hand. But I found a way. I hope many of you will be found this particular thing helpful. Let's just tell you what actually it is. So yeah, I was going with lot of what I can say, a lot of things where I can do the importing and all. Import SSH host, if you can see from SQL Dev, and frankly, I didn't find anything helpful. I just found the first one, which is very helpful, and there are videos if you see. Let me just create some new tab so that you can be able to see. So what I did was, I'll just I found this particular video. Okay, yeah, and I think it's here now. So he is the main person of that. He is a product manager of Oracle, where he works on SQL Dev. He said that there is no hidden way to import and export. You can just copy the XML. And you guys say, okay, I'll do it. Don't wait for it, because I know you will be again going and searching for all those particular things, right? That how to do it and where to go, what to do. So for that, what I have done is I have given you a particular thing that where you have to go is you have to go in this particular directory which I will be sharing in the screen right now. Yeah, so you are able to see clearly, right? This is the one which you have to deal with. You have to go with your user, and then it will be your own user. Then app data roaming, SQL developer system, there will be a version like this, 4 point something, and then you have to go inside this. If you go inside this, you will be able to find the SSH key. If I show you, this is the SSH key which is here. And if you open the SSH key, you will be able to find all those particular records where you are seeing this. If I show you, if you are seeing the screen correctly, you will be able to see. And let me just show you compactly. I think, yeah, now you will be able to see, right? This, and let me compact this also. Yeah, yeah. So this is the link where you'll be giving that particular SSH file. When you are setting up a new from your old laptop to new one, just copy this file to that same location. If you are not setting up the new, you can just particular do the hash value and do it. Right? I don't want to show you everything. So yeah, this is the one which is very simple for you guys, and I hope you like the video. It's a very short and sweet video. So what you have to do is we can import and export our connection. That's pretty much fine in it. But for doing other stuffs, what you have to do is, and if you guys have are not aware of importing and exporting the connections, so let me give you an example here. See, if you see this here, right? Just click on this, not this one. I'll just show you this. Actually, I don't want to show my connections, but okay, okay. So just click on this. This is the export connections, okay. And once you click on this, all this will be there. Suppose you are putting this, go next, and just check any file. I'll check my own file, GXP, something like, I don't know, save, and then go. Here you put the encryption key, and so that it will reserve your password and all. Put any key and give it to them. And while doing the import also, just click on this import and select the file name, check the password, and everything will be done. So I guess we are done with both the things if you are not aware of anything, and I hope you will be able to do it pretty much easily now. And if I saved your time, just give me a thumbs up and it will be good for me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay safe.